Hi, this is Corey Rogers, VP of Marketing for National Equipment Dealers. We're here at the AGG1 show in 2024 here in Nashville, Tennessee. And right next to me is John Patton. John, what's your title with IROCK?
I'm the Regional Sales Manager for the Eastern United States.
Great. We are here at IROCK's booth and exhibit, and they've got an enormous machine behind us, and we're going to talk to John a little bit about that machine, as well as some of the other products that IROCK represents. National Equipment Dealers is the IROCK dealer for North Carolina and the entire state of Florida. And so if you're interested in crushing and screening and products, you can reach us at our website at neddealers.com, and there you can find more information about the IROCK product. So John, let's walk through the booth for a little bit. Tell me a little bit about the machine you brought in for the exhibit and this show in general, this AGG1 show, and let's talk a little bit about your product line, okay?
So we brought to AGG1 this year the TC-15CC Gen 2. It's our latest generation of our closed-circuit impactor. It's a 40x43 rotor with a 5x12 double-deck screen on it.
So you guys do impactors and jaw crushers and screens. What's the difference, for a layman, what's the difference between an impactor versus a jaw crusher?
So the impactor is really great in crushing asphalt and concrete and making a lot of fine product. If you want your material to be smaller with a lot of fines, then the impactor is a great choice. Your jaw crusher is going to be for harder rock or for larger rock, and can even be used as a primary crusher in a concrete recycling application or a limestone application that also includes an impactor.
Great. And what's the, let's walk towards the impactor. What's the operating weight on this machine?
This unit comes in right at 118,000 pounds.
Wow, that's amazing you got this in here at the show. So tell me a little bit about how this particular impactor works and some of the different options that you have on it, some of the unique features that make you stand out from the competition, and then you can just give me some general information about IROCK in general.
Sure. Where we start at the end of the, where the hopper is, down where you would put the material in that needs to be crushed, we've got a 16-foot wide hopper. That's one of the longest in the industry. You can load with a loader from the side. You could also load from an excavator at the back, and what that does by having a 16-foot long hopper, it gives the material more time to settle in and go through the crusher without bridging and without holding up the crushing process. Once it goes through the hopper, it's going to go into our 4-bar rotor. So this unit has a 40-inch diameter, 43-inch wide. We're actually a little over 38 inches on the height of our crusher inlet, which allows the material to flow easier without getting bridged up. We also have on a 4-bar rotor, typically we run too high, too low for limestone and concrete and asphalt. But we also have a spring bridge on our impactor that will keep your aprons from floating.
John, tell me just an overview of the products that you guys carry. I know behind us we've got this machine. Talk to me a little bit about the entire product line that you have.
So we carry a full product line. We go from having track impactors, we have track jaw plants, track cone plants. We also have wheeled impactors, closed circuited with a screen on board. We have scalping screens, finish screens, and a line of wheeled and track conveyors.
So John, tell me a little bit about IROCK as a company. What really makes you stand out in terms of the products that you offer, the services that you offer? What's different than the competition?
So what makes us different is we have a refreshing approach, being an American-based company. In the crushing and screening world, there's a lot of reputation for issues with parts, issues with service, issues with product support, and we do a really great job of overcoming those challenges. We've got a great dealer network that we work with. That's NED in Florida and North Carolina has done a great job.
John, thanks for taking a few minutes with us here at the AGG1 show at your IROCK booth. Really enjoyed learning a little bit about this machine, and we're excited to sell more of these in the field. Here at National Equipment Dealers, we rent and sell the IROCK product in North Carolina and Florida. If you'd like more information about the IROCK product, please visit our website at www.neddealers.com. And if you'd like a quote on a machine, just click our Ask Ned button at the top of our website, and you can request a quote or more information from there. Thank you.